Hello everyone, welcome back to the Login It channel. Today I will be showing you how to turn on save video on TikTok. To make the changes, first of all you need to open your TikTok application. Tap open the app on your mobile. Once you open your app, you need to go to the profile. Tap on me icon at the bottom. Then once you are in your profile page, tap on the three dotted lines at the top of the right side. Tap on it. There you need to go to the privacy section inside account. Tap on privacy. Here you can see the option available as safety, and inside safety there's an option of download. You tap on download. Right under safety you will see and allow your videos to be downloaded. Now here you need to tap on the, once you tap on it, you can see the toggle bar will move to the right side, appearing it a green. That means your videos will be now allowed to be downloaded. That means allowed to be saved. And with that you have easily turned on the save video option on your TikTok videos. Now your videos can be downloaded very easily. Hope this video was useful and you have learned how you can turn on save video on TikTok. Please like and subscribe the Login It channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.